everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. Right now I'm on my way to the UPS store to return some stuff to Amazon. One thing I love about Amazon is their liberal return policy. Allows me to check some stuff out, don't like it, return it. They don't care, they pay for it. Well, it's probably one of the reasons they're so big now. Yeah, convenience, yeah, that's great. Anyway, I want to use this video to serve as a reminder that the one funnel away system has reopened, and registration for it is open right now, but it's only open until this Sunday, and after Sunday it is closed and you won't be able to sign up. So if you haven't already done so, I recommend you go check it out and you go sign up for it. And yeah, it is what I recommend for people who want to learn how to start a sales funnel, because other than the email list itself, the sales funnel is the most important part of your internet marketing business. Without that, you're kind of like that movie Feel a Dream. If you build it, they will come. Well, that works in a movie, but in real life, you build it, they won't come. It's like a lot of people say, I built a blog, where's my readers? Or I started an email list, how come no one's signing up for it? Well, because you need to be able to market it and get it out there, and this is where the sales funnel comes in. All right, so, and the best way to learn how to build a sales funnel is to go through the One Funnel Away course that my friend Russell Brunson has opened, at least until this Sunday. And then what happened is, what it is, it's a 30-day everyday program, and this is why it happens once a month, and it opens up only a certain time because it is live training. Every single day there's a live training that you log into, and the trainer there will show the day's lessons, and then there'll be Q&A and all that stuff. There's also a private members form, and you also get a package that's sent to you in the mail. And if you sign today, it might show up in time for you to actually get started in the course. And yeah, it's a big package you get in the mail. Let me show you what it's right here. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's a cool little package. There's a workbook. There's an MP3 player. There's quite a lot of stuff, and it makes me kind of wonder how Russell can sell this thing for only $100. But anyway, the course itself is not free. It'd be great if it's free, but it isn't. It's $100. Yeah, $100. So, but in terms of internet courses, it's probably the least expensive course I've ever seen. And honestly, Russell doesn't make money selling this course. He actually loses money on it, and because after deducting the cost of shipping this product and then paying their affiliates to promote this product as 100% commission, so $100 all goes to the affiliates. So he's losing money on it, and the reason he does that is because of the big picture. What's Russell's business? One Funnel Away system is designed to teach you how to start your very first sales funnel within the next 30 days. Right? So Russell is hoping that when you do start a sales funnel, you will be using his service, ClickFunnels, to start the sales funnel. Now, you don't have to. You can use like Lead Pages, you can use WordPress, you can use whatever you want. Right? But of course, he's hoping that you're going to get value from the course, and you're going to think he's a great guy because he taught you all this stuff for $100. And so you'll probably use his ClickFunnels. And I guess it works because a lot of people go through it and a lot of people use ClickFunnels. Right? So I use ClickFunnels, and yeah, so that. Anyway, the link to the course is below this video. And again, it shuts down this Sunday. Sunday shuts down. Monday, the course begins. The training begins, live training, and you can. So if you sign up now, and then Monday you can start your training. 30 days from now, you'll have a sales funnel up and running. The sales funnel will help start getting you signed up for your email list, and it'll start getting you, helping you sell your products and service and making money online. All right. So I'm ready for it because I'm always signing up for the course. And I was looking forward to it because I get to go to the private group and say hello to all the new students. So if you see me there, make sure you say hi. Okay. All right. So see you guys in the course. johnchow.com. Link is below this video. Go sign up, and I'll see you inside.